In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a blog with Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a newcomer to blogging or looking for a simple way to establish your online presence, Weebly offers an intuitive platform to bring your ideas to life. So let's dive right in and get your blog up and running in no time. First, we need to head over to Weebly's website. Simply open your web browser and type in www.weebly.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a login option in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, you can quickly log in. Don't worry if you're new to Weebly, you can easily set up an account by following the straightforward sign up instructions. Once you're logged in, type in your email and hit the next button. Now it's time to enter your password. Please remember to use a strong and secure password to protect your account. Once you've entered your credentials, hit login to access the Weebly dashboard. Welcome to the Weebly overview page. From here, click on Edit Site to enter the site editor, where all the magic happens. Look for the Pages tab on the left hand side and click on it to manage your site's pages. To add a new page, you'll see a plus sign or add button. Click that and choose blog page from the available options. Now it's time to give your blog its own unique identity. Name your blog page something catchy and relevant to your niche or personal brand. After you've named your new page, click Done to save your changes. Now, let's navigate to this newly created blog page. On this page, you'll have the option to start composing new posts. Click New Post to open up the editor where you can lay out your thoughts. Begin by typing in a compelling blog title that will grab your reader's attention. Once you have your title, you can start working on your content. In Weebly's editor, you'll notice a variety of elements on the left side, including text blocks. Click and drag a text block onto your page where you want your content to appear, and then simply start typing or pasting in your blog text. To enhance your post with visuals, drag an image block into your post where you'd like your pictures to go. Click on the image element, and you'll be given options to upload an image from your computer or to link images from other websites. Choose the image that best fits your post and upload it into the editor. Finally, once you're satisfied with your content, formatting and images, go ahead and click Post to publish your blog. Congratulations, you've successfully created and launched your very own blog on Weebly. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.